Cold night sleep. I think it's because we're either near the sea or the mountains are creating wind or something, but like today we're going kayaking on the sea. Morning.
Hey.
Long day of sea kayaking, ocean kayaking. Apparently the waters are like super clear, golden beaches. We're actually staying at a place called the Barn, and probably like 200-300 feet over that way is the ocean. And then here, so that big mountain, which goes all the way over that way, that is the ABEL TASMAN National Park. So, I mean, that is huge. You can explore that for a very long time. What are we doing?
Waiting for you to check out.
I gave my key in.
Oh, didn't know that. You're vlogging.
Oops.
Lemon?
Made it to our first stop. We started all the way over there. We went all the way, landed back over that way. So this island that we're on now, there's not that much on it. There's just a lot of vegetation and like rocks.
That is Seal Island, so there's a load of seals there apparently.
We just needed to take a break because our shoulders were absolutely wreck-coed. Oh. Johnny, give us a wave.
That's it, pedal, bitch.
Oh, sick.
That was so good.
This is incredible.
That was amazing.
Jump in, jump in, jump in. Oh. Sick. Come. Where are they? Oh my god. Come on! Faster! Oh, you...
So this was our second actual stop. So behind me, just here, that is Seal Island. But we're at like one of loads of beaches. Like, as you can see, there's hardly anyone here. I don't have a watch or anything on me, but I think we've been going for like, must be going for at least 3 hours. It started off really cold and I was kind of having second thoughts about it, but I'm glad I did it.
What do you think, John?
It's good.
God, I am burnt.
Not too shabby, man.
That is beautiful though.
Excited.
We're at Nelson Lakes. This is Lake Rotorua? It's a really nice lake, basically. That is a famous bridge decking area. I might get a drone up there actually. Yeah, I think I will. That was fun. People are getting off the pier, it's time to go. It's actually quite nippy. Let's get a good one before the sun comes in. Come on. Super quick stop in, I think it's called Morrison. I can't actually see on the GPS. Our petrol was flashing empty, 26 kilometers away, and we made it here just in time. We're about an hour and a bit away from just outside of Westport where we're staying tonight. You can really see how red my nose is.
That woman was an asshole.
She was so mean.
Jesus. She's gonna shout. She's now gonna shout to the guy because she wants to pay for something.
Yeah, she's gonna make a point about it, I bet.
Yeah.
Probably gonna go and unpack, start charging some stuff, and then literally go to bed. Next day, Westport first. On the way down to Putakiki. That's what we're gonna do.